Just want to give you a quick little tour of DataSuite. So here we have DataSuite. What we're seeing right now is the data sets that you've collected. So we're going to start out by creating a new data set to collect images of dogs. We're going to name this the dog data set. I think this is going to contain dogs, right? It'll contain dogs. Lots of pictures of dogs. The schema is going to be images along with the descriptions. We don't need to go pretty far beyond that, but we could if we need to. Create this data set. Let's look at the dog data set. So now we got to import some data. So easiest thing to do, we could go to Google and we could find some images in Google. So I'm creating a Google search for images. We're going to collect them. You can see that it's starting to collect. Let's while we're doing that, let's go down to Pinterest and let's collect some new ones from Pinterest. So we can see here, we've now got a data set with two sources. One is an AI collected collection from the Google search, and the other is one that we explicitly uploaded. Now, if we want, we can page this directly into our training server by creating an API. So here we can weight the different sources. Some of the sources might be good, some of them might be bad. The universal upload, I'd say we should be twice as likely to see that as the data from the dogs. Training all model. And that's it. That's how you use DataSuite.